For any food service operation, food and beverage storage equipment forms the heart of the operation and becomes an important asset to manage for the overall business. How you monitor these equipment directly impacts your food inventory costs and ultimately what menu items are available to your customers. Introducing Stratosfy-AI's equipment operations solution that enables operations leaders of your food service operations to remotely monitor your equipment conditions via sensors and software. Avoid unexpected inventory loss and costly product spoilage with real-time notifications and actionable incidents. Save time and money on in-person monitoring and temperature logging of your equipment with automated temperature measurements. Reduce equipment downtime and repair costs by proactively monitoring temperature fluctuations. Maintain consistent quality of inventory to comply with food safety regulations and thereby protect your brand reputation and ensure customer satisfaction and loyalty. Connect your refrigeration and kitchen equipment to the internet through Stratosfy-AI's devices and remotely monitor equipment conditions from the mobile app and web dashboard. Whether you run a single food service operation or you run a multi-unit, multi-franchise operation, Stratosfy-AI's equipment operations solution brings automation and accuracy to your business, thereby driving your profitability and growth.